it's Julia with Wig Review Central. I'm on my way to Marietta Plastics. I'm going to see about getting what they call a lip flip, which is Botox. I have fine lines around my mouth and some lines on my lower lip. I want to take a look at the options and see what's available. I'm glad you're on this journey with me. Let's give it a try. I'm not allowed to wear makeup today to have this done, so I wanted to show you the outside of my lips. And the area that I'm kind of concerned about is right here, where these kind of wrinkles are. See? I just had numbing cream applied, so my lips feel very tingly, feel a little weird, and they're starting to get numb. I just got out of Marietta Plastic cc, I believe, Juvederm Volbella around the lower lip to take care of those lines, a little bit at the top just for symmetry, and then she did inject a little bit of Botox right in here to try to relax the chin muscle so it's not constantly pulling. And you can see in the previous video I took of my mouth, there are lines right here that kind of show that chin muscle pulling. I'm happy with the result. The Volbella results are immediate. Can definitely see the difference. And I have this little ice pack that I have to put against my mouth on and off for the next 24 hours or so, just to help with swelling and bruising. I cannot do any exercising or yoga because of the Botox and also due to the lip filler. So just take it easy today and get on with my day. My lips are still numb, and I'll tell you, the pain of the injection was not bad. They had put, numbing cream on for about 10 minutes, and believe me, my mouth is numb. But they used a needle to do the injections, and it hurt the most up here on the upper lip. But even then, on a scale of say 1 to 10, for me, the pain was only like a 5 or 6. Down here along this lip, it just didn't even hardly bother me. It was maybe a 4 on the pain scale. The total cost for everything I had done was $484. Now, the Botox will not last, but I believe 2 to 3 months. But the lip filler itself should last a year. It's been 4.5 hours since I got the injections. I feel pretty good. I don't have any intense pain whatsoever. I have a little tightness on the upper lip, which is interesting because she hardly injected the upper lip at all. The bottom lip does not hurt. It doesn't feel tight, but I do have some bruising. It is swollen next morning, and I don't have significant pain. I definitely feel like there is something implanted in my lips. It's a strange feeling. My chin, where I had the Botox injected, feels a little itchy. It feels somewhat irritated, though it's not horrible. This did not keep me awake overnight. I slept perfectly fine. When I woke up this morning, it felt much like it does now. So I'll show you. I have a little bit of bruising here. But other than that, nothing significant. But I can't put lipstick on, lip liner, anything. So I'll just add a little bit of Aquaphor or even Vaseline. These are products that I think, if I understood correctly, the plastic surgeon's office were okay with putting on the lips, because your lips can get a little bit dry right after lip filler or Botox injections. So while they're not completely against you putting a little salve on your lips, they do not want you putting any kind of lipstick or makeup on for about 72 hours. I'll show you the paper where it tells me all of that. I'll get that for you. Here is the front of the pamphlet that they send home with you. And it tells you all of the risks and warnings. One thing that I did not realize is that Botox can travel from the site where it's injected, and some scary things can happen, but apparently that is very rare, so we'll see. But see, it tells you what to do within the first 12 hours, 24 hours, and then further on. No vigorous exercise. It just gives you other tips. Yeah, so this is not something you want to get done if you have an event, a wedding or a party or some big event that's going to happen within the week. You want to get this done way ahead of time. Hey guys, it's the third day of my Botox and lip filler. I have more bruising. You can see it here. And it's interesting because it's only here. Everywhere else looks perfect. You can see that. Bruising, and there's also these little white nodulars. They told me that the little nodulars or balls could happen, but that over time, say in a week's time, they should dissipate. If not, they can dissolve those or massage them. What I'll do is I'll wait a week, and if those are still there, I will get in there and try to massage. If that does not work, then I will go back, and I'm sure they'll do something about it. It is now February the 10th, and I wanted to wait long enough, almost 2 months, so that you can see what the results look like. The only change that I can notice is the lack of dimpling at my chin, which is due to the Botox injection. I can look at my face and see that the chin is smoother, but as far as fuller lips, I don't notice a big difference. It just looks about the same to me. Now, I had injections at the top, at the bottom, and I don't notice a difference. So in my opinion, was it worth the $400 and something to get all this done? Not really. I don't see a big difference. Now, what I do have is I have a couple of little nodulars from the injections. Might be able to see though. Inside my lip, which has remained there. Now, the plastic surgeon office told me they can break that up if I want to come back in. It doesn't hurt anything. It's just where that hydrochloric acid, the Juvederm, collected in one area. I would not get it done again. I just didn't think for what I paid that there was a big enough change for it to really make a difference. Well, thank you so much for watching my video about this experience with both Juvederm and Botox. Take care. Bye-bye.